In this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 winning products to sell right now in your Shopify store that are already proven to sell, that have gotten results for my students. For example, this one here, 1,000 per month, and this one here, already 1,000 per month. 2 students that have seen some results from the products that I'm about to show you. They have a lot of potential. You can sell them on your store and get results as well. Let's go. And before we start, I want to announce that in just a few days, we are starting our 5-day live Shopify training. I'm going to be teaching you everything that you need to know about your Shopify store, your products, and your ads to get results again and again and actively scale up your Shopify business while automating the process so you don't need to grind and hustle your way through it. If you're interested in that, make sure to click that first link down in the description and join the private Facebook group where I'll be holding the event completely for free. No cost, nothing to you. The first product up is this window privacy insulating film. You've probably seen it on a couple of spy tools out there. We actually saw it a couple of weeks ago, didn't think too much of it, didn't see that it was getting too many sales. It's basically a film that you put on your windows and nobody can see inside. And also it's UV protectant, so it rejects 99% of UV light, thermal insulation. So now that it's summer, obviously it's gonna get very hot in most of the countries, and the sun that comes in through the windows, it can get very, very hot inside. That actually prevents that, keeps it cool inside. Outdoor temperature is very high. Inside it keeps it cool. And also in the evening, you can't basically see anything inside of the house. Really convenient. For the sales volume, it's getting about 16-20 sales per day. In the last 2 weeks, more than 200 sales, selling quite consistently. This is a product that you can sell both on Facebook and on Google. What I would recommend targeting on Facebook is just people that have a home, that have a family, that are interested in UV protection, UV light. You can also sell this product not just about the privacy. It doesn't just have to be about protecting people from looking into your window or somebody looking into it, or maybe a drone or a plane looking into your window. It's mostly about the UV protection, the actually keeping your family safe from those harmful UV lights, as well as the privacy that you get by just adjusting this film onto your window. Really, really clever product that we saw. It's about $10, $12 per lot, which basically means just the screen or the film that you put, depending on how much you have, how many windows you have in your house. You can sell it really, really well. Products like this have sold really well for my students before. One of our students, Ryan, sold a film like this for furniture protection, to protect the furniture around the house. And this one is a furniture protector, but for privacy and for UV protection. So definitely a good one to sell, and it's gonna do really well in the next couple of weeks, all throughout summer. The second product up, this yoga balance board. You've probably seen this one. I just found it running in a couple of Shopify stores. It has about 224 orders, so not a huge product. Now, a really good indicator of that a product is going to do well or starting to do really well in the next couple of days is that it has a lot of orders, more than 100, 200 orders on AliExpress, and no reviews, which means people are not buying it organically on AliExpress. Somebody is actually drop shipping it from this particular supplier. It is this balance board for yoga. Yoga products tend to do really well again and again. A lot of different yoga products, yoga mats, yoga blocks that you put on your body to help you do the yoga better, yoga resistance bands, and now this balance board that really helps you get your balance perfect. For people that are really interested in yoga, yoga brands, yoga companies, this is a great product to sell. It is new, so it's unique. It's something that you can take advantage of, create a one product store for it. Maybe you're in this niche, in the women's fitness, yoga, aromatherapy niche. Really good product to sell for you. And also, like I said, it's just starting to get a lot of sales, starting to uptrend. It's gonna be a huge product in the coming weeks. I know it is going to be. I've seen some products like this, they just start to come out, start to get a lot of sales, and then just absolutely skyrocket. I want to show it to you right now. It's gonna be a huge one to sell very soon. The third product up, this makeup bag organizer. This particular product, actually my assistant found it, and I know we have a lot of viewers that are in the beauty niche, in the women's niche, selling products for accessories, for makeup, for beauty. So I want to showcase this one. It is a makeup bag organizer. Basically, when you have your makeup bag or any bag that you have, you just put the organizer inside of the bag. So it's not an actual bag. It is just an organizer. You put it inside of the bag, and then you can put pretty much everything that you want, just like here. You have your bag, you put it inside, and then you can organize all the different things. This is one thing that a lot of women struggle with, is actually finding things in their purse, finding things in their bag. And this one is a product, almost has 2,000 orders, selling 10 to 20 a day consistently. And it's also a product that you can sell on Google, on Facebook, and through multiple channels, because obviously it's a product that is massively scalable to pretty much any woman from ages 20 to about 50, 60 years old, or pretty much any woman out there can buy this particular product. And as you know, obviously the pandemic is slowing down a bit. They are removing a lot of the restrictions. People can easily travel within their own country, not to other countries, but they can move a little bit. So you can go shopping, you can go to the mall, you can go outside with this makeup bag organizer. I think products that are, for example, bags, backpacks, products for travel and movement are going to start to sell a lot in the next couple of weeks, just because people are more free to do whatever they want or travel wherever they want. So this is a good one that can sell for any woman that wants to travel, wants to keep it organized, wants to have, for example, they want to be clean, not just have a bunch of things thrown around in their purse because of the coronavirus. This could also be a good one to sell. The next product up is this biodegradable grass mat, or a grass seed mat. And what you can basically do with this product, gardening products, home improvement, home decor products tend to do really, really well. I've had multiple students make 6 figures just from home products, from gardening products. This one in particular has 1,600 orders on this listing. And again, no reviews, meaning that somebody is actively drop shipping this product from the supplier and then not having any organic reviews or any organic sales. And what it does is, let's say you have your lawn like this, it looks really bad in front of your house, then you can turn it into a beautiful green lawn just by using this mat. It's a little bit hard to ship, so I would advise you, if you're selling this product, make sure that you have a good supplier. Don't just choose a random supplier. Don't just fulfill it from China with an AliExpress supplier. I do not recommend it. You can use a company that I'm going to talk about in just a couple of days. We're getting 8 to 10 day shipping times with that company, doing extremely well. You can use them for this. Stay tuned, so make sure to subscribe, hit that notification if you want to stay tuned for that. This particular product, really good one to sell. You have a little video here showing it off. You can also fix patches of it too, and you can put it down and it naturally feeds the soil like it says in this video here. So let's say you don't have a whole lawn, but you have a little piece of lawn. It can help grow the grass, and it looks really well. You don't need to do a lot of work. You just need to put the pad or the mat on it, just like here. Even if you have a gigantic lawn, it still works for this. It helps the grass grow, and it looks absolutely beautiful. For anybody that has a house, this is a no-brainer for them. Instead of spending hundreds of hours or just a ton of money on a gardener, they can just put this and it works really, really quickly. The next one up, this anti-gravity phone case. This is more of a product that is a gadget or an accessory. I know we have a lot of students in that niche, the accessories niche, the phone niche, the tech niche. So this particular product, it is an anti-gravity phone case. You can pretty much attach it to anything. Let's say you're shaving and you want to put it on the mirror, you're putting on your makeup and you want to put it on the mirror, you're reading notes, you're drawing in a whiteboard, whatever it is. Here, putting on your makeup, writing anything for work at home. This product is really, really helpful. It's getting quite a lot of sales, selling about 11 to 20 orders per day from this particular supplier. Had a really good day of 100 and something orders. So what I think is that this product is selling through Instagram influencers, not just Facebook. So if you want to sell something that's cheap, that's easy to use, that everybody can buy it, and you can make some quick money out of it if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend something like this, where it's easy, quick to sell. You can find just an influencer, get a massive amount of people to buy it pretty quickly. You won't make too much profit out of it, and I don't recommend it to scale. Really, this is not a 6-figure or 7-figure product. It could be, but not really. So if you are a beginner, you don't know what to sell, this is something that can really help you just get some sales, get something done, some progress, so you can then transition to a much better product that you can scale and actually build a legitimate business out of. Before we go on, I just want to quickly congratulate Eturun, this particular student, for winning the giveaway 0 to 60 grand per month Shopify case study that I did with my student Ryan. We went to absolutely everything, the products, the ads, how he scaled up his store to that point, and everything in between. A premium case study. If you want to win it, if you want to be the lucky winner, all you got to do down in the comments is comment automate, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and I'll pick a winner from the past video. For the winner from this video, make sure to comment or send me a message on Facebook to get the case study. I'll send you a link to watch it, and you can learn from my student's progress. The next one up is a posture corrector bra. You heard it right, it's not a posture corrector, it's a posture corrector bra. And you can see it right here, it has 5,500 orders, doing really, really well. And you can see the little video here showcasing it properly. I'm going to show you a video ad that I found for it as well on Facebook ads. And you can see that the order volume here, it's getting about 26 to 30 orders per day consistently, doing really, really well on AliExpress alone. And there's obviously other suppliers, other shipping companies for this particular product. I found this Facebook ad has been running for about a month with 3.7 million views on this ad already. I'm not saying it's a great product just because it has a lot of views on Facebook. That is not necessarily a metric that you can tell if the product is getting views. It does have a lot of attention, and the fact that this particular ad has been running for a month and it has so many views means that they probably scaled it up really, really high. It also matches up with the orders on AliExpress, and we're gonna check the video right here. And obviously posture correctors, any of these products that are for posture correcting, for improving your posture. Plus, this is a bra. This is not an actual posture corrector. It's a bra, something that women wear kind of normally or just as a given, and they can use it for correcting their posture as well. So a really good product to sell, especially if you're in the fashion niche, in the shapewear niche. If you're selling anything related to this audience that would be interested in this particular product, great product to sell. A lot of potential to sell more, and it's already proven to sell quite a lot. For product number 7, it is an eye massager, and this particular product my team found it, and I didn't really think much of it. I thought, well, this is kind of stupid, but I then saw the order volume has 1,100 orders or more. In this case, it's selling about 6 to 10 per day, and it is an expensive product. It's a product that you can sell for $80, $100, build a brand out of it really, really well, and I didn't think people would be really interested in it until I saw the search volume on Google for an eye massager. And it turns out that 12,000 people per month search the keywords eye massager on Google, 12,100. And the competition is 1, which means there's a lot of people advertising on it. You can see the search volume here. I'm just gonna put it up, see if it pulls up here. Okay, so you can see that it's really small there, but you can see that it's consistently around 10,000 searches per month. And now in June, it's actually gone up to 15,000 searches per month. So this month was the main month of this particular product. It could be that this product is just selling more and more every single month, and people are very interested in it now. And also it's a product for people that have more money. Obviously, nobody that is living paycheck to paycheck or doesn't make that much money is gonna buy an $80 or $100 eye massager. This is more for wealthy people. What you can do with this product is target US on Facebook, and then also target the most high earning zip codes. So what Facebook allows you to do, it doesn't allow you to target high earning people. It allows you to target high earning locations. So you can go and just do high earning zip codes or high income zip codes, and then target something like eye or I don't really know what the name is for an eye doctor, but the eye doctor or eye exam, eye analysis, eye center, anything like this that people would be interested in buying this product. It is a tech product. Make sure to get a really good supplier for this particular product. I would recommend it more to sell on Google once you have a better supplier, just because the search volume is so good. On Facebook, it might be pretty tough, and I wouldn't sell it if you are just a beginner. I would sell it if you have some experience selling other products and you want something that is trending, it's new, and it's already proven to sell quite a lot, and the search volume is also very proven. That is it for the 7 products for this particular week. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and let me a like button down below if you enjoyed this particular list. Remember, next week we are starting our 5-day live Shopify training. I'm going to be teaching you absolutely everything that you need to take your Shopify store to the next level, or if you haven't started a Shopify store, how to start it the right way with the right strategies, all for free. 5 days live with me. You can also ask any questions you want. Make sure to click that first link down in the description, join the training, and I will see you there. And if you're interested in working with me and mentoring with me and my team to take your business to the next level and actually have my direct help, helping you with your business to get results, make sure to click that second link in the description and book a one-on-one call with my team to see if we're the right fit to work with you, and you can mentor with us to take you to that next level or to take you to your goals. If you like these winning products and you want to know how I find these products and what's my process and my different methods to find the top winning products to sell, you can check the video right there. There's going to pop a video on YouTube right here, how 7-figure stores find 7-figure products or 6-figure products that you can sell on your Shopify store. My exact strategies. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, that like button, comment, automate, and I will see you in the 5-day training. Super excited for that. I will see you on the training.